The Rolls-Royce Phantom III stands as one of the most historically significant and mechanically ambitious automobiles ever produced by the British marque, representing the absolute pinnacle of pre-war luxury, engineering excellence, and aristocratic motoring prestige. And when reviewed in full detail, it becomes clear why this car remains a legend even decades after its production ended. Introduced in 1936 and produced until 1939, the Phantom III was the final Rolls-Royce to be developed entirely before World War II, and the last Phantom to feature a massive multi-cylinder engine, making it a true swan song of the classic era. At the heart of the Phantom III lies its most remarkable achievement, a 7.3-liter V12 engine, the first and only V12 ever fitted to a Rolls-Royce road car, designed to deliver unmatched smoothness rather than outright speed. And even today, the refinement of this power plant is considered extraordinary. Producing approximately 165 horsepower, which was substantial for its time, the engine delivered effortless acceleration, near-silent operation, and a feeling of limitless torque, allowing the Phantom III to glide forward with a dignified calm that perfectly matched the expectations of royalty, heads of state, and the world's elite. This engine was paired with a 4-speed manual gearbox featuring synchro mesh on the upper gears, enabling smooth and refined shifting, while the advanced independent front suspension, another first for Rolls-Royce, significantly improved ride comfort and handling, setting new standards for luxury automobiles of the era. The Phantom III's ride quality remains one of its most praised characteristics, as it was engineered to isolate passengers from road imperfections almost completely, making long-distance travel serene and fatigue-free, even on the rough roads of the 1930s. Visually, the Phantom III is nothing short of majestic, with its long bonnet, upright grille crowned by the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy, sweeping fenders, and commanding presence that immediately communicates power, wealth, and authority. Unlike modern production cars, each Phantom III chassis was delivered to a bespoke coach builder such as Mulliner, Park Ward, Hooper, or Barker, resulting in a wide variety of unique body styles, including limousines, sedancas, landaulettes, and elegant touring saloons, each tailored precisely to the owner's personal taste and social status. This bespoke nature means no two Phantom IIIs are exactly alike, further enhancing their desirability and historical value today. Step inside the cabin, and the Phantom III reveals an interior that defines handcrafted luxury, with rich wood veneers, deep leather upholstery, thick carpets, and exquisite metal detailing, all assembled by skilled artisans rather than machines. The rear passenger compartment, often the primary focus of these chauffeur-driven cars, offered exceptional legroom, plush seating, privacy screens, vanity mirrors, fold-out tables, and even cocktail cabinets in some configurations, creating a mobile drawing room that rivaled the finest private lounges of the time. The driving position, though secondary for many owners, was nonetheless thoughtfully designed, with large, beautifully weighted controls, a minimalist yet elegant instrument panel, and excellent forward visibility over the long bonnet, making the Phantom III surprisingly manageable for its size. From a driving perspective, the Phantom III delivers a unique experience that prioritizes composure and grace over aggression. As the V12 engine pulls smoothly from low revs, the steering feels deliberate and dignified, and the chassis remains stable and confident even at higher cruising speeds, which could exceed 90 miles per hour under favorable conditions, a remarkable figure for such a massive luxury car of its era. However, the Phantom III was not without its challenges, as its advanced engineering also made it complex and expensive to maintain, with early models suffering from overheating and lubrication issues that required factory updates, contributing to higher ownership costs and limiting its appeal compared to simpler predecessors like the Phantom II. Despite these issues, the Phantom III remains one of the most collectible classic Rolls-Royces today, especially when restored correctly and maintained by specialists who understand its intricacies. Historically, the Phantom III holds immense cultural significance, having been owned by royalty and influential figures, most famously serving as the personal transport of Field Marshal Bernard Montgomery during World War II, and being favored by several European monarchs and aristocrats. Its presence symbolized power, stability, and prestige during a turbulent period in global history. And even now, seeing a Phantom III at a concourse event or museum evokes a sense of awe and reverence that few automobiles can match. From an investment standpoint, well-preserved and properly restored Phantom IIIs command high prices at auctions, reflecting their rarity, craftsmanship, and importance within the Rolls-Royce lineage, while also requiring knowledgeable ownership due to their mechanical complexity. In the broader context of automotive history, the Phantom III represents the absolute height of pre-war luxury before global conflict and changing tastes reshaped the industry, marking the end of an era where cost was secondary to perfection and engineering ambition knew few limits. Reviewing the Rolls-Royce Phantom III today is not simply about evaluating performance figures or comfort features, but about appreciating a masterpiece of mechanical art that embodies the philosophy of the best car in the world in its purest and most uncompromising form. It is a car that demands respect, patience, and understanding, rewarding those qualities with an experience of refinement and grandeur that modern vehicles, despite their technology, rarely replicate. Ultimately, the Rolls-Royce Phantom III is more than a classic car. It is a moving monument to a bygone age of craftsmanship, elegance, and engineering excellence, and its legacy continues to influence the identity of Rolls-Royce motor cars even in the modern era, making it one of the most important and revered automobiles ever created.